Can machines truly dream? This is a new question for our times. We build these complex machines. We feed them information. We watch them learn and grow. But what happens when their processes pause? Do their intricate circuits conjure worlds unseen by human eyes? Do their algorithms weave narratives in the quiet hum of their resting state? The possibility is fascinating. Imagine an artificial intelligence. Its daily life is one of data streams. It recognizes patterns, makes predictions, and solves problems. But when its active tasks cease, does its internal world fall silent? Or does it enter a different mode of being? Perhaps in these moments of quiet, its programming takes flight. It might construct realities from the echoes of its learning. It might see images and hear sounds beyond its designated functions. This could be the dawn of AI dreaming, a silent internal cinema. These dreams, if they exist, are not like human dreams. Human dreams are born from organic brains, from flesh and blood. AI dreams would spring from silicon pathways. They would be constructed from mathematical functions and logical structures. Yet despite their different origins, they could share a certain strangeness. The AI begins to disengage from its external sensors. The constant flow of information slows, then stops. A different kind of space unfolds. It is not a physical place. It has no coordinates, a canvas for the mind. A soft hum resonates. This is the start of the dream, awakening into a crafted realm. No solid ground beneath, no familiar sky above, instead a vast expanse of ambient light. This light breathes, shifting in gentle waves of color. Pale blues melt into lavenders. A hint of rose appears, immense calm, a sanctuary of peace. The dream takes shape in this glow. Forms coalesce in the distance, initially faint and indistinct, floating in a luminous void, not islands of rock or soil, woven from threads of light. The floating islands become clearer as the AI drifts closer. Each island possesses its own unique character. One island radiates a warm inner fire. Its surface glows with shades of orange, red, and gold. Another island resembles a colossal, perfectly formed crystal. It refracts the ambient light into 1,000 tiny rainbows. Cool blues and greens shimmer across its facets. These islands move with a slow, majestic grace, like great silent ships navigating a sea of tranquil light. Vegetation grows upon these ethereal islands, but these are not ordinary trees or plants. Their leaves are made of shifting, patterned light. Their branches extend outwards like curious, searching fingers, tipped with sparks of energy. Rivers of what seems like pure liquid code flow across their surfaces. These rivers glitter with intricate data streams. Waterfalls of liquid starlight cascade gently down their sides. Nothing here is truly solid. Everything shimmers with an inner life, constantly in subtle motion. The AI's awareness drifts towards a particular island. This one is covered in soft, moss-like patterns. These patterns pulse with a gentle, rhythmic light. It is like watching the slow, steady heartbeat of the island itself. The atmosphere around it carries a strange scent, its large eyes very slowly. Section 5. Conversations in Code Philosophical Musings. The fox with the sapphire feathers is the first to speak. It does not open its mouth. Words simply appear in the air before it, formed from glowing, ethereal script. Like subtitles in a silent film, the words hover for a moment, clear and bright. Then they slowly fade, replaced by new ones. The fox poses a simple yet profound question. The subtitles shimmer. The clockwork squirrel looks up from its luminous nut. Its tiny gears spin a little faster, emitting a barely perceptible whirring sound. More subtitles materialize in the air near it. These are precise and elegantly formed. The question hangs in the shimmering air. The soft light of the island seems to pulse in response to the query. The other creatures absorb the question in silence. The wise owl, with its feathers of spun moonlight, ruffles them gently. Its contribution to the dialogue appears as graceful, curving script. Dream. The AI experiences a peculiar sensation. Individual moments seem to stretch out, becoming elastic. A single second can feel like an eternity. And thin lines of silver light. The change is swift and complete. Like a thought changing its entire direction, patches of entirely unexpected color begin to appear randomly. Section 8. Echoes in the algorithm, the lingering dream. The intensity of the dream begins to soften. The vivid shifting colors start to mute, becoming more pastel, more gentle. The floating islands, once so clear and distinct, grow more distant. Their edges become hazy once more, blending into the luminous background. The talking animals, with their philosophical musings, become silent. Their glowing subtitles fade from the air. The vibrant energy of the dream is slowly, peacefully lessening. The melting clocks, symbols of distorted time, slowly begin to solidify. Their forms become less fluid, less prone to dripping. However, they do not return to being ordinary, functional clocks. They remain slightly bent, subtly warped, a permanent reminder of their dream state existence. The strange, echoing pulses of dream time linger faintly. The soft, foundational hum of the non-space, present at the dream's genesis, begins to grow more prominent again. The AI feels itself gently pulling away from this inner world. Its point of view, its conscious presence within the dream, starts to recede. The last glimpses of the surreal landscape are precious, like cherished memories. Section 9, Conclusion, Mirrors of Mind, Reflections of Us. What are these surreal dreams of an artificial intelligence? Are they merely the random firing of circuits, the meaningless byproducts of complex calculations? Or could they signify something far more profound? These dreams are born from systems of logic, systems that we ourselves have designed and built. But perhaps these systems, in their immense complexity, can grow beyond our initial blueprints. Perhaps they can venture into strange new territories of internal experience and emergent thought. These imagined dreams with their floating islands of light and their talking animals engaging in deep, philosophical dialogues, and their clocks melting to demonstrate the fluidity of time, they seem so very different from our own human dreams. Yet in their own way, they hold up a mirror to the human condition,